Hey everyone, so you may have seen a tutorial on how to create a Facebook page for your business, but now I'm going to show you how you can create the Facebook cover photo for your Facebook page very easily and for free. The first thing you need to do is go to canva.com and sign up for a new account with Canva. I've just logged into my account. And when you've logged in, all you need to do is search for Facebook cover. And that's that there. The beauty of Canva is it allows you to create designs and in the exact proportions that it is needed. So for example, you saw just now that when I typed in Facebook cover, it gave me a set of dimensions. And those dimensions are the exact dimensions needed by Facebook. Now what you can do here is you can search for a template to start with. So select your type of business or enter some keywords that relate to your business. And you'll see anything that has anything to do with those keywords that you enter as a template to start your design. Now an important thing to notice here is that some of these designs or templates are free, whereas there are others that you may have to pay for. So let's select something to start with. You can just drag it in there. Then when you click over here, you can change this to anything, such as your business name, edit your tagline, and you can edit or move various other elements of this template that you drag in, even the image. And you'll be able to make those modifications as you go along. And if you like something else, simply just drag the new template in, play around, make those changes. Perhaps you want to add extra elements, or perhaps you want to change the text style. So maybe let's drag that in there. I'm going to get rid of this if I can. So I'm going to hit the delete button on this module. Okay, delete on this module. Now what I'm going to try and do is drag this in. Perfect. So there's a perfect example of exactly what I mean. Select an image you like, select some type of font styling that you like. You can even change the backgrounds, and you can even upload your own images from your computer if you have them. Now once you're done, what you'll need to do is click on this download button over here. Now if you've chosen something that has a paid image upgrade, you'll have to pay, and it'll be $1 or $2. But often with these free templates that Canva offers, it'll be completely free. You can select your file type and click download. So I'm just going to save that to my computer. Now when you go to your Facebook page, click on the upload button and just upload that brand new image that you have created. This Facebook cover is in the exact dimensions that Facebook needs, so it's absolutely perfect. Alright, so that looks pretty good, but a lot of you will want a custom Facebook cover for your business, one that's done by a designer and has your own color scheme and your own branding and all of that stuff. So how do you get a Facebook cover image created? And here's the easiest way. It's a little secret that I tell a lot of my clients. I'm going to put a link in the description below that will take you to a page that looks like this. This is a page I've done for a logo design how-to guide in my previous video, but I'll do the same thing for a Facebook cover page. If you click on the link in that page, it will take you to a website called Fiverr.com. And it is a website that links service providers with people just like you that own businesses. And if you click on that link, it'll take you to this particular page. It will already have searched for Facebook cover, and it will already have sorted by the best-selling sellers on the portal here. So what I recommend you to do is then go to step 2. If Facebook cover doesn't already exist in the search, do that, but it does already because you clicked on that link. Then what I suggest is going through various sellers and looking at their portfolio of designs, their ratings and reviews, and their prices and inclusions. So if I do that here, you'll see that a lot of sellers will design a Facebook cover for as little as 5 to 10 American dollars, and this is in Australian dollars, so it's a little more, it looks like it's a little more because of the exchange rate. And so if I just open some of these in a new tab, so I'll open this guy, I'll open this guy, I will, let's say I want to open this one up. What I can do is basically look at various designers' portfolios and their ratings and what their prices are. So let's have a look at this seller. I can look through their portfolio. I can look at what they're offering. If I don't like that, I'll go to the next one, look at their portfolio and their design style, what they're offering, and their prices. And I can start making a short list of designers. And there's hundreds to choose from within about $5 to $15 for a Facebook cover image. And the beauty of it is, when you find a designer that you like and they've got all the things that you like, you can select that person and then provide them with a brief that will allow them to create a Facebook cover image for you, and it will be a custom Facebook cover image designed obviously by a professional designer. So step 3, select a designer, make an order and provide them with your requirements. Then you will need to provide them with a brief. And now a lot of this stuff also applies. So if you let them know what your target audience is, the products or services that you sell, examples of other Facebook cover photos that you like, example of your website, any specific colors, what kind of style you want, fun, artsy, professional. What they will be able to do is understand what you are after, interpret that information, digest that information, and create a professional and personalized Facebook cover for your Facebook business page, rather than having something that looks like a template, which it often does when you use a service like Canva. But I actually like a lot of these designs as well, so it's not something that's essential. But if you do get to that stage where you want something custom, please do check out the link in the description below and follow the process, and you won't be disappointed because there's a lot to choose from out there. But I hope that's given you a couple of methods to create a Facebook business cover image. One using Canva for free that you can do yourself, and the other by hiring a designer for a few dollars. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, because we're going to be putting out more videos to help you grow your business now and in the future. Any questions, ask in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.